Hello and welcome back to Workshop. There's a special kind of magic in taking something old, something overlooked, and giving it a completely new life. It's more than just saving money or recycling. It's about infusing an object with your own story and creativity. Today, we're channeling that magic into our outdoor spaces. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to transform forgotten pieces of furniture into stunning, functional centerpieces for your garden or patio. We'll also craft some beautifully simple decor that will make your backyard feel like a truly personal oasis. This is about creating a space you love, filled with pieces that mean something. So grab a coffee, get inspired, and let's dive into upcycling. Our first major project is this old dresser. Its bones are good, but the finish has seen better days. We're going to convert it into a durable, multifunctional station perfect for serving drinks or as a gardener's potting bench. First, let's talk preparation, because 90% of a great finish is great prep. You will need 80 grit and 120 grit sandpaper with filler, a good quality exterior primer, and exterior grade paint with a semi-gloss or satin finish. Don't forget a top coat, like an exterior polyurethane, for maximum durability. Your first step is to clean the entire piece thoroughly with a degreasing cleaner to remove any grime or oils. Once dry, inspect it for any deep scratches, dents, or old hardware holes you want to fill. Use a quality wood filler, overfilling it slightly. Once it's completely hardened, it's time to sand. Start with the coarser 80 grit sandpaper to strip away that old varnish and smooth out your wood filler patches. An orbital sander will make quick work of the large, flat surfaces, but you'll need to sand detailed areas by hand. Your goal is to create a dull, uniformly scuffed surface. After you're done, switch to the 120 grit sandpaper for a final, smoother pass over the entire piece. Then, the most crucial part, remove every speck of dust with vacuum and a tack cloth. Now, for the transformation, we're going to remove the top two drawers to create an open shelf space. This might require adding a simple plywood base inside for support. Next is priming. Do not skip this step for outdoor furniture. A quality exterior primer will block stains from bleeding through, and more importantly, it gives your paint a tenacious grip on the surface, preventing peeling and chipping. Apply one even coat and let it dry completely. Finally, the color. We're using a vibrant exterior satin paint. Apply your first coat using a small foam roller for the large surfaces to get a smooth finish, and a quality angle brush for the corners and details. Let it dry according to Can's instructions. Then apply a second coat for a rich, solid color. The real key to longevity, especially for the top surface, is a protective top coat. Apply at least 3 thin coats of marine or exterior grade polyurethane, lightly sanding with 220 grit sandpaper between each coat after it dries. This creates an armor-like shell against moisture and sun damage. Add some new, stylish hardware, and you have a piece that is not only beautiful but built to last. Next, let's build some incredibly comfortable and stylish seating using simple wooden pallets. Now, pallet safety is paramount. You must look for a stamp on the side. You want pallets marked with HT, which means they were heat treated, not chemically treated. Avoid any mark with MB for methyl bromide, and steer clear of any pallets that have signs of chemical spills or stains. Once you have your safe pallets, the prep work is focused on cleanliness and smoothness. A pressure washer is your best friend here. It will blast away any dirt and grime lodged in the wood. Let them dry completely in the sun for a couple of days. Then it's time for some serious sanding. You want to sand every single surface you might touch to prevent splinters. An orbital sander is great for the faces, but you'll need to put in the time to sand the slats and edges by hand. For the build, the design possibilities are endless. A simple sofa can be made by placing 2 pallets side by side for base and then standing a third pallet vertically behind them, securing it with heavy-duty L brackets and long screws. For a deeper, more lounge-like feel, you can stack the base pallets 2 high. An L-shaped sectional is as easy as arranging 4 or 5 pallets in the desired configuration and screwing them together. For For the finish, you have options. You can use a clear exterior deck sealant to protect the wood while keeping its rustic, natural look. A dark wood stain can give a more refined, polished appearance. Or you can prime and paint it to match your decor. To finish it, comfort is key. You can find pre-made outdoor cushions online that fit standard pallet dimensions. Alternatively, for a custom fit, you can buy high-density foam from a fabric or upholstery store and wrap it in a durable, weather-resistant outdoor fabric. Throw on some pillows, and you just build a custom outdoor lounge for a fraction of the retail cost. Now, let's move on to the decor that brings the whole space to life. We'll start with ambient lighting using simple glass jars. First, the classic hanging lantern. You'll need 16-gauge craft wire and a pair of pliers. Cut a piece of wire long enough to wrap around the threaded neck of the jar twice. Then create a small loop and twist it tight. From this secure collar, you can then attach another piece of wire to form a handle for hanging. For a magical glow, you can fill the bottom of the jar with sand or small pebbles to stabilize a real tea light. But for safety and ease, I highly recommend using battery-operated LED fairy lights or candles. For a beautiful daytime look, you can create a sea glass effect. Mix a few drops of food coloring and a teaspoon of water with a few tablespoons of clear school glue. Pour the mixture into a jar and swirl it around until the entire interior is coated. Pour out the excess and let it dry upside down for a day or two. This gives the glass a permanent, colorful, translucent tint. Our next decor project uses a material many people throw away: old tires. They make fantastic, durable planters. First, you must drill drainage holes using a powerful drill with a 1/2-inch bit. Drill at least 5 to 7 holes in what will be the bottom side of the tire to ensure your plants don't get waterlogged. After cleaning the tire thoroughly, it's time for paint. The best option is a spray paint designed for all surfaces, including plastic. Start with a coat of spray primer, which will help the color pop and adhere much better. Get creative. You can paint them solid colors, use painter's tape to create bold stripes, or even paint a stack of them in an ombre gradient. Fill with good quality potting soil and plant them with resilient, cascading flowers like petunias or calibrachoa for a stunning visual effect. So there we have it. A completely transformed piece of furniture ready for a new life outdoors. A custom-built seating area perfect for relaxing and beautiful, personal decor that adds warmth and character. Each of these projects is a testament to the idea that with a bit of effort and imagination, you can create a high-end, beautiful space without the high-end price tag. The most important thing we've learned is that proper preparation, the cleaning, the sanding, the priming, is a true secret to a project that doesn't just look good on day one, but lasts for years to come. I truly hope this has sparked some ideas for you. I would be thrilled to see your own versions of these projects, so please share them in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, a thumbs up is always appreciated, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can join us for our next creative adventure. Thank you for spending this time with me. Now, go make something beautiful.